Open up a beer and you say get over here and play a video game. I'm swinging in the backyard, pull up in your fast car, whistling my name.
Well, that's very, very underwhelming. We're gonna have to change that. Well, we got in just in time because it is really coming down out there. That's crazy. I don't even know if you can hear me. All right, well, rain seemed to die down. I closed the door because it was like creating lighting issues. Waiting for the rain to die down kind of also gave us time to let the exhaust cool off. So something you're gonna wanna do if you just rode the thing in here to swap it, give the shit time to cool off or you're gonna burn yourself. Like, use common sense. Some people don't. Now it's time to just get drenching.
Open up a beer and you say get over here and play a video game. I'm swinging in the backyard, pull up in your fast car, whistling my name.
Coffee break.
Open up a beer.
Now back to work. All right, so now we got all the heat shields off, got the floorboard out of the way. We're gonna go ahead and just pull off the exhaust. It's fairly simple. Just get the bolts. I'm not doing like a how-to. I'm just showing that I'm doing the work myself because that makes a difference for some reason. I don't know. But yeah, I just enjoy doing it. So we're gonna go ahead and zip that off and then we're gonna unbox the Bassani.
Open up a beer and you say get over here and play a video game. I'm swinging in the backyard, pull up in your fast car, whistling my name.
Yeah, like that, so it's done. And the pipe. That is a clean looking pipe. Let's get it on the bike. All right, so the pipe is on, as you can see. Yeah, it looks good. Looks real good. We'll go ahead and wipe it down, put the heat shields on, put the bags on, then we're gonna start her up and see what she sounds like.
Open up a beer and you say get over here and play a video game. I'm swinging in the backyard, pull up in your fast car, whistling my name. Open up a beer and you say get over here and play a video game. I'm in his favorite sundress, watching me get undressed.
Howdy, back in the shop. I don't know if y'all can see me. Change this way so the light's not super bright. A little contrast lighting anyways. So yeah, back in the shop, handlebars. Got the exhaust on, looks great. Sounds amazing. So yeah, it's time to do some handlebars. Oh wow, y'all hear that wind? Holy crap, that's crazy. Anyways, so bike here. Okay, so stock handlebars. Terrible. Atrocious. I mean, let's just. I mean, this is fine for pushing a wheelbarrow. That's about it. I like, you know, more aggressive. It's very just relaxed. Lazy, slouchy stance. I don't like it. I want more of that performance stance. There you are. Anyways, so yeah. Going with some T-bars. I got the 10-inch. I got the Arlen Ness with 10-inch risers, have the gauge relocation as the top clamp. Went with Harley Davidson, the Big Kahuna, I think, heated grips, because I'm bougie and I like it like that. Arlen Ness polyurethane bushings for the risers. All right, so I had to run back to the house real quick. It's like, yeah, right there. Because I left the bars in there. Like, got all my camera equipment, coffee, sound bar, all the stuff, but the bars to do a bar job.
We get undressed, take our body downtown.
Chat. It seems like yesterday we was some young bucks. I swear that we ain't know enough. With hella dreams of blowing up. I told my mom and aunt that they gonna get the world. They gonna get it too. And that's a promise I would keep. It's gonna take some time, my ladies, but believe in me. In the stew all night, hardly getting sleep.
Got the bars off, so now we pull the wires. So, yeah, let's have some fun.
I can do can replace what y'all did for me. Young and rambunctious. What the labels that they threw on us as young kids. Tearing up the neighborhoods on some dumb shit. This showcase of raps at all of the lunches. At the verses, throw a couple punches. Now I take 40s to the head like concussions. We're playing 64s, 2 driving 64s. It's one hell of a leap and I plan on making plenty more. In the grown man sport, no longer playing hot ball in the front yard.
All right, so right now I've got the Apple CarPlay jumper, and apparently you gotta pop it off the headlight mounts. Apparently it just slides in here, clicks in, and it's the white one on the back side. So this thing just pops back over like that, and then pops into these 2 front spots right here. But I still got to pull some wires, so I'm not going to do that quite yet because I might have to just go ahead and remove that. But Apple CarPlay jumper, just a little quick tip if that's something you were looking at. It's 25 bucks. Pulling a fairing off is a little annoying, but I mean, if it works, awesome.
Run too close to that grass, you get sidelined. Pop to would have thought them young rascals would become some young guys.
Swinging in the backyard, pull up in your fast car, whistling my name.
Bangers.
Open up a beer, you take it over here and play a video game. Swinging in the backyard, pull up in your fast car, whistling my name. Open up a beer, you take it over here and play a video game. Swinging in the
All right,
backyard.
so go ahead and start putting the base plate on for the risers. Then we should be able to transfer, just loose, you know, nothing's Loctited on or anything. I want to make sure everything lines up properly. Now we go to the bike.
Swinging in the backyard, pull up in your fast car, whistling my name. Open up a beer, you take it over here and play a video game. On his favorite sundress, watching me get undressed, take our body downtown. On his favorite sundress, watching me get undressed, take our body downtown. your sundress, watching me get undressed, take that body downtown.
Chat. It seems
All right, well,
like
it's been about a week since I got everything done, but we were able to get it finished because we were working in the shop. And yeah, I haven't finished filming and doing all this like extra B-roll footage for about a week because it's been raining. And, you know, I wanted to use the drone to get some drone shots, so I had to wait for the wind to die down because it's been like 25-mile-an-hour winds for some reason, like everywhere, honestly. But here was definitely keeping me from doing the drone footage. Anyways, this is not a how-to channel, so you'll notice that I kind of blasted through everything. It's not a how-to channel. It was more of like a, hey, look what I did and look what I can do kind of thing. And just like kind of getting into the whole, maybe start vlogging kind of stuff, or just start, you know, every time I install something on the bike or the truck, just kind of document it. But anyways, so hope you enjoy, and we'll get back to you later.
In the stew all night, hardly getting sleep, but nothing I can do can replace what y'all did for me. Young and rambunctious, what the labels that they threw on us as young kids, tearing up the neighborhoods on some dumb shit. This showcase of raps at all of the lunches. At the verses, throw a couple punches. Now I take 40s to the head like concussions. We're playing 64s, two driving 64s. It's one hell of a leap, and I plan on making plenty more. In the grown man sport, no longer playing hot ball in the front yard. Run too close to that grass, you get sidelined. Pop, who would've thought them young rascals would become some young guys. Vote.
Swinging in the backyard, pull up in your fast car, whistling my name.
Bangers.
Open up a beer, let's take it over here and play a video game. Swinging in the backyard, pull up in your fast car, whistling my name. Open up a beer, let's take it over here and play a video game. Swinging in the backyard, pull up in your fast car, whistling my name. Open up a beer.
Hopefully y'all enjoyed the video. Hopefully we'll get around to doing some more stuff like this, and we'll just see how it goes. Got a lot of stuff that we do around here, so maybe we'll just get to doing like just vlogging kind of stuff, and then y'all can see what it's like on the farm. So till next time.